Hey everybody, it's Erin Koch here with Avenues and Acres Home Team, proudly presenting our newest listing at 917 Watson Avenue in the historic West 7th neighborhood of St. Paul. This adorable two-story is a mix of classic charm and modern updates, including big-ticket items like a brand new two-car garage, an updated kitchen, and an all-new electrical panel. Let's go take a look. This home has an abundance of storage options in the unfinished lower level, complete with a workshop, loads of natural light, and really cool smart home technology options like Ring doorbell, Philips Smart Hue lights controlled by an app, wireless AC units, and so much more.